here I have this GE Reveal 60 watt 500 lumen A15 incandescent light bulbs. This one has a shorter lifespan than the long life Philips bulb Duramax. It's a typical general service. Well, it's a vibration resistant lamp, so it can be used as a ceiling fan. Unlike those A19 bulbs that will just fail earlier than expected. So yeah, it has this medium base. It's made for ceiling fans and appliances. Very nice packaging. Just nothing to say much about this product. It can be used in many applications like the Philips or any incandescent A15 light bulb. So here's the bulb itself. The glass is blue, very nice, high quality bulb. It's not the cheap plastic LED crap you see these days. So the edges down there, it's also C-shaped filament, very nice. So I'm gonna screw it in and turn it on. Yeah, sorry to record at the same time, as always. So I don't have a tripod. I am going to get one soon too. They're like 20 bucks off of eBay, so let's turn it on. Wow, that's significantly brighter than the Philips Duramax, but it's a 60 watt bulb. It's not like an exact like 800 lumen 60 watt bulb, but it's still pretty bright. I'm sure this would be like 600 if it's just a typical 60 watt. It's hard to see. Let the camera focus. It's a little harder to see because I got my fingerprints all over the bulb. You got oily hands. It's got a lot of muscle. So I'm gonna shut the lights off and see how bright this thing is. So look at that. If the camera can focus. There we go. Yeah, it's hard for this to focus. So here's the bulb. Like, it's a very nice bulb. See, very nice. Yeah, I promise the quality of the videos will be better once I get the tripod. So, here's my room. I have everything nicely, a little bit brighter. It's focusing well now. Yeah, most cameras suck to like focus in low light. The Samsung cameras do way worse than an iPhone. At least this focus is better than the Samsung camera. But I can feel the heat, so I'm gonna turn it on and move on and screw it into that reflector fixture. That's a cool down there. Okay, I got the light screwed in. It's completely dark in here, so I'm gonna flick the light on. Look at that. Yeah, it's focusing very well this time now. Just I got all my grease on that glass bulb. It's hard to like get rid of fingerprint oils. Yeah, this is why you don't want to touch halogen bulbs with your bare hands. Just look how bright that thing is and hot. Very nice. I'll feel the heat. Very nice light output. It's only 500 lumens, but it's very nice. Very nice. Just look. So I'm gonna start the stopwatch now. Yep. Zero looks nice. So I'm gonna move on. It's been on for 20 minutes now. See how hot this light bulb gets. So it's like 63 degrees now. 64, 69. So oh my god, it's hot. It's 318, 317. Yeah, it's really hot. 323. It's 326. 327. 328. 329. 335. Oh my god. Yeah, I would not touch that bulb at all. I smelt the heat from that bulb. Didn't melt my gun at all. Very nice. Did heat up a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to cool down. Damn, 330 degrees for a 60 watt A15 incandescent light bulb. That is almost as hot as a 150 watt A21 incandescent. So yeah, so I'm gonna shut this off now and move on. Thanks for watching. Let me touch that. Oh my god, I can barely touch that. It's too hot.